My name is Abhiha Zahur and I am from class 9. I welcome you all to today's morning assembly. Today, the topic of our assembly is noise pollution in the environment. It is defined as any form of noise that disturbs the normal functioning of life. It is the biggest source of discomfort, stress and nuisance in Pakistan.
What a loud music people keep these days, and blowing horns preach God's words every day. And this they seem to do almost always. Amends no one bothers to do anyways. The youth prefers to hear the music aloud. The ones they hear can take tiles off roofs. It stimulates the thunder from the clouds. The pettities a man can't stay without move. The road is full of traffic that makes noise. The sounds of horns can make the deaf ears hear. The stress people live without choice. And noise can wrestle people's nerves and brains. And I wish the current would blow again and again and again. Thank you.
My child, it's too late. You must go to your bed. You're unable to get up in time for school.
Mom, I'm just taking a test for tomorrow.
Oh, from last 2 days, I'm very tense about you. Look at your face. Beta, please go and sleep.
Okay, Mom, I will almost finish my work. Love you, good night.
Love you too, Beta. Good night. Are you okay, my child?
No, I have a headache.
Why you have headache, Beta?
Because of loud music at the night, I could not sleep properly.
Okay, you can take this painkiller, but you can't miss your school because of test.
Okay, Mom.
10 रुपए 10 रुपए प्रेशर कुकर की मशीन आ लो प्रेशर कुकर है
Abdullah, why are you not doing your work?
Ma'am, I have a headache.
Why?
Ma'am, because of loud music in the neighborhood, I could not sleep properly.
Yes, ma'am. I also live in his neighborhood and I also can't sleep last night because of too loud music played by the neighbors.
Noise pollution is a serious issue and needs attention at local and state level. People must develop awareness about its dangerous impact because it not only damages the environment but also has a negative impact on human health. Thank you.